Okuburia nigo kwabekirwe gucia ase serikali kogendera gusira abamanyi na boigo abatuki ebe sector au anene gwetera ase mitandao yekerero elio gukinia ensi ya Kenya. Naya nkubwatekana no kuburia kwa ba engineer kurwa ase rugongo rwa Nyanza. Gukwana umubasolero chinga kichumuyiga bogochengera lituko lyabo oyokolekana lituko lyarero ase county ya Kisii nigo bamentire na gotebabuna okugani nkoraroro kugukinia ubumanyi gwetera ase chinchira chekerero na igo nerebuya banyare kuba bagotugekirwa. Umurikitu Daniel Ontiri otwareganirie oroboti uru.
Kero mwaka umutinyu gatatu lituko lya kane niga ba engineer bagochengera lituko lyabo ase kirenga kyo mwaka oyo kire smart engineering through innovation and digitalization. Mwega obaletamo aba engineer au kurwa serogongo rwa Nyanza na okoleka ase skuru yokwenana megerio yobubundi ya Kisii.
We had a procession in the morning and later some discussion on thematic areas based on our theme, which is smart engineering, innovation and digitalization. And thereafter we had a mentorship session with the engineering student at the Kisii Polytechnic.
Ase gikarikiga aba engineer nigo bakwanire kirenga kyabo kyo gutumeke metandao yekerero ase gukini bumenyi bwabo bateba gwetera asumukyo mbare no gosemeria amange na chigonchereria.
This smart engineering is an aspect that covers a lot of issues that are solving mankind solutions, starting from the energy security, be it electricity, be it access to energy for the households. We are also looking at transport systems which are very critical for transformation of our nation. The roads, the bridges, and all manner of transport.
Ase nkwana yabo nigo bamentabu na Kenya negati chinse chiria chirebosio wetera sobumanyi bogotumeke metandao nobotuki aso koligia na kogendereria ebintu na igo kokania nkororo gokogendera gosirwa ne serikali.
As a country, we are consumers of smart technology. Developed world, we know that smart technologies are coming all over, depending on which field of engineering it is. When you come to transport engineering, there are very way of smart systems that are coming, and there are various other systems that are also coming in. And we are sure that as we move on, we are able to get into the space of smart engineering as a country, since we have the resource and we have the people, so we are able to get into that.
Aba engineer iga Kenya nige miremo yabo ekororekana muno asobwagachi wechinyomba na muno chikoroba asensemo yobo sombi emiremo yokulinda na gutumeka machi asokorosia chinguru chumuriro egatia yande ase abaruki gwase skuru iga boigo benyorera libaga lisaine lyogosegetwa igoro ya masomo buna bubonete kwebwata ase chiro yobubundi. Nkuriba terega taseni kia gatembe kurega se kaunti ya Kisii leterane nguru kwa Daniel Ontiri.